Hey, my lovelies, good morning, good afternoon, wherever you're watching me from. I hope you're doing fine. Hope you're okay. We are starting the weekend. Like here, it's Wednesday today. Yeah, so the weekend is starting tomorrow. Yeah, in Arab countries we start weekend on Thursday. So we are already in the mood, as you can see. Uh, so shout out to my new subscribers. Yes, thank you for coming to African Jojo. Thank you for choosing African Jojo, the #1 YouTube channel. Yeah, and shout out to my super chatters and my new members, all my members. Shout out to you. I love you all. Thank you for loving African Jojo. Yeah, so today, as you can see, I'm going to remove my hair and braid my hair. See how it looks like. It has grown. It has been there for 1 month. Yeah, my dreadlocks. Yeah, this is my hair actually. Yeah, they are dreadlocks. They have been there for one and a half month, I think. So I've finished. I've just washed them. So I'm going to unbraid them so that they don't pain me when I am unbraid them when they are still wet. Okay, you know it hurts like nothing. So I'm going to be removing them. I put a new style. You know, we are going to Christmas, so I have to look. Maybe I'm going to make new hair for Christmas. And we have also the party. We have a wedding this weekend. So that's why I'm getting ready for the weekend. We have a wedding. Maybe I must be the one who's going to be they're going to put a ring on me. Oh, one day maybe. Yeah, we have a yellow day. Like, we got a yellow day on Friday. Yeah, Friday. Yeah, for it's a festival for Indians, but we are going to do it here in Arabic. Yeah, my family is going to do a yellow festival, a yellow day. This yellow day is like when a lady is going to get married, so they first do this. They have like three occasions, festivals they do. That yellow day, that's when they put henna on hands, color. They put henna on the hands. Yeah, so like Indians, they just smash all the colors on your body. Yeah, yellow colors, different colors, I think. Yeah, but here we're going to be putting henna on the hands and wherever you want. So that is our yellow day. I can't wait for that day. If I get some time, I will film and you see. If I get some space. You know, it's not easy because it's an Arab festival and they don't have to be like in camera. So, but I will try, you know. Just wait for it. So guys, yeah, that is it. Let me start unplaiting my hair, and yeah, we see the results. Yeah. Love you guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like and comment. Don't leave Don't forget to leave me a comment and share the video. Tell me what do you think about this video. If you find it enjoyable and valuable, please give it a subscribe, give it a like. Yeah, let's do it.
I don't think so. No, 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 no. I don't think so. No, 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 no. It's never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen. I don't think so. No, 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 no. I don't think so. No, 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 no. It's never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen. I don't think so. No, 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 no. Maybe someday you'll have it your way. Maybe someday it'll all work out. Maybe someday you'll have it your way. Maybe someday it'll all work out. Until then, nope, a nope, a nope, a nope, definitely nope, a nope, nope, a nope. Probably never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen. Oh no.
Oh, guys, this hair, it gives me a lot of hard time. It gives me a lot of hard time to play it and to unplay it. It's really, it gives me a lot of hard time, guys. I don't know. Maybe I should cut it off. I should cut it off, I swear. Because it pains me like nothing. Or maybe I should change it to straight. I don't know. I don't know if I'm going to finish it even. I have to take like 1 week. I'm in a struggle with my own hair. Do you think I even finished it? They had brought me a gift. I said, no, stop from here. I must stop from here. Guys, I get my early Christmas gift. Yay! Yay! It's here. Are you ready, guys, to unbox it? Yay! I've already got my Christmas gift. It's inside. Yeah, I'm so excited. I'm so excited to open. Ooh, it's actually that it is 2 in 1. It's a Christmas gift and a and a wedding dress. Yeah, it's a wedding dress. We have a wedding this week, so they decided to bring for me this. It's from the grandmother of my boss. From my boss. Yeah, it's from the grandmother. It's from the mother of my boss. Yeah, not grandmother. It's from the boss. From the mother of my boss. Yes. So guys, let's open and we see what is inside. It's a dress actually. It's a dress, but I don't like it. But let's see how it looks like. Let's try it on. Ta-da! See that dress, guys. It's so big, it's huge. Am I the Santa? I'm the Santa. Oh, see, even now I'm dressed this one. Guys, see that dress. To be honest, I don't like it. I don't like it. Guys, what do you think of this dress for the party, even wedding? How can you dress this dress? Yeah, that is it, guys. I don't know whether I will put it on. I don't know whether I'm going to dress it. But thank you so much. Thank you, my thinking about. Thank you for thinking about me, Granny. Granny, thank you for thinking about me, for buying me these gifts. Mm. Oh, guys, and this dress is super expensive. You see, 75 real. It is super expensive, but it's not good for the party. Guys, what do you think about this dress? Tell me in the comment section. Yo, and here comes the Indian dress. You see that? I love this one. Yeah, guys. Guys, see this. This is they call it what? Sorry, for Indian. It's an Indian attire. So this one is so good. I love it. I liked it for sure. And the other one, no, it's X for me. I think I'm going with this one. I'm going to put on this one. Yeah, guys, what do you think? What do you think? Please choose for me, guys. What should I put on? You see? You see, but it has no the panty. I have to choose the another panty to put on. Yeah. Indian dress. It's an Indian dress. Guys, what do you think? I love this one. I love this one, and the other dress, no, it's enough for me. It's enough for me, guys. I rather put on this one. Guys, tell me, what do you think? What do you think about this one? What do you think about this one? Should I put on this one or the other one? For the day is tomorrow. Yeah. The day is for tomorrow. Day is for tomorrow. Day is for tomorrow. The day is for tomorrow. See? So this one is from the grandmother of Madame, and the other dress, it is from grandma of dad, of Baba, of Daddy. yeah, of the baba. Yeah, how do I look, guys? How do I look? Wait for the final look tomorrow on Friday. Yeah, but this video I'm going to upload it today. Yeah, I'm going to upload it today. So see you there, guys. Love you. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And please let me know in the comment section, what do you think about this dress, my gifts? What do you think about my gifts? Let me know, let me know, let me know.